This is the second of 3 transformations questions. This one is a negative enlargement with a scale factor of -1/2 with a centre of enlargement -2, -1. So we're going to count from the centre of enlargement to that first corner. So you'll see we've got 4 left, and I'm going to make a note of that, and then we're going 2 up. Now it's -1/2, so we're going to times it by 1/2. So the 4 times 1/2 is going to give me 6, and the 2 times 1/2 gives me 3, but my directions change. So left becomes right and up becomes down. I now go back to my centre of enlargement, and I now need to count my 6 right and 3 down to get to that first corner. I'm then going to repeat this for all of the other corners, writing them down and doing the calculations again. Now, because it's a negative scale factor, you'll see that although it has gone up, enlarged 1/2, it's now sort of flipped and is over the other side of the grid. It then says triangle P is transformed by a combined transformation of a rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So using my tracing paper, I can mark this on, do my anti-clockwise 90 degrees and draw on where that triangle is. It then says it's followed by a translation to give R, where one of the vertices, this is one vertex, is invariant. That means it doesn't change. As there are 3 vertices, 3 corners, there'll be 3 options, which you can see me drawing on here. And then I'm going to count to each corner. Therefore, it's giving me 3 different options for my vector translation for this question.